While I'm busy absorbing alcohol into my liver, you need to absorb all these fucking words that I'm going to teach you. Let's zoom this out a bit. You're going to need to understand how to do this. Alright. This is my fucking notebook. As you can see, on the left hand side, I have all the fucking adjectives that we're going to learn today on there. And then as you can see, to the right of that, I have the fucking English definitions. Now here's how you study. I don't want you writing these fucking adjectives 50 times. You're gonna fucking kill yourself. It's not what we want here. What we want is we want you to fucking fold over this part of the paper like this. And make a permanent crease in your fucking paper so that you can look at the fucking Japanese words and then say, oh, what is it? And then when you need to know, you can look. And then fucking turn it over again, see if you can get them all without fucking having the fucking English definitions on there for you. If you could do that, it's half the battle. Then you have to fucking look at only the English, which means that you've got to fold it like this. See how this works? Now you can study and try to find out if you can pronounce these fucking Japanese adjectives without fucking using anything but your brain and some English words. So, it's a two-step process. Does it take a bunch of time? You're damn right it does. It takes a shitload of time. Doesn't matter how long it takes you, just do it. Took me forever. Now I'm gonna go through them all with you. And yes, I'll provide a fucking review. It's no substitute for this. Do this. Today, we're going to be describing the fucking apple. Yes. Because apples don't last forever. So fucking go to the store, get an apple. No, you don't have to get an apple. I don't give a shit. You should get some fucking apple chew-hi. It's good shit. Kono. Ringo. Now this is so easy. Who is Ringo? This motherfucker right here. This motherfucker right here is Ringo. You know Ringo Starr. He is a Beatle. Do I like the Beatles? You're damn right I do. This is the fucking Ringo. Now what record company did Ringo work for? He worked for Apple Records. If you know that, it is going to be so easy for you to remember Ringo for the rest of your life as Apple. And that poor bastard has now been corporatized in another language. Do I give a shit? No. Wa chisai des. This apple topic small is. So chisai is small. It is an E adjective, and the next 20 or so adjectives we learn are gonna be fucking E adjectives. So don't fucking do anything till you get to the na adjectives, and when you get to the na adjectives, you better fucking mark your notebook like this. See it? There's a fucking star there. These na adjectives that I'm gonna give you, fucking remember the difference between na adjectives and E adjectives. I explained that. I'm not doing it again. So chichai or chisai is small. Oki means big. Big. That's oki. So, if I can write it down, oki means big, and that means this apple is big. So, think about that. You could fucking make a meal out of that fucking apple. Now, the next one is takai. And takai has two meanings. Yes, it does. Deal with it. It's like getting two for the price of one. You don't have to fucking memorize two words. Takai means tall. Now, obviously, a fucking apple ain't gonna be tall. It's about context, people. Fucking context. Look at this shit. It is not tall. Apples aren't tall. I'm fucking tall. Look at this shit. My fucking chin is the only thing you see right now. I'm fucking tall. I am Takai. Ore wa takai da. That's right. I am fucking tall. You bitch. Anyway, here we have Takai. This case it means expensive. So, if it's a fucking tall order, if you have a tall price, it's expensive. It's like the same goddamn idea, but it means two different things. Tall, expensive. But obviously, look in the fucking sentence. If it's talking about a fucking insect, it's obviously expensive. You know, they sell these fucking beetles for like $50 here. You can buy a Beatles record for fucking less than that if you want. But they actually sell living beetles here for $50. If you want to buy a fucking beetle for $50, you could do that here in Japan. It's just the kind of country we have here. We have lots of things for sale that are very expensive that you don't need. Kono ringo wa yasui desu. That means, ta-da, cheap. Ore wa yasui da. Yes, I am cheap. Now you may wonder why the fuck I said da instead of des. The end of my motherfucking sentence. Reason why is des is polite. And da means the same motherfucking thing as des. Actually. But it ain't so polite. I want you to fucking know what it is so that you don't crap your pants. You bitch. But I am cheap. I'm free actually. So it's more like ore wa tarada. Tada is free. Write all these fucking down while I'm doing this. This is a waste of your time if you're not writing it down.